This is Mr. Xolile George. Wenzeni Mr. Xolile? The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, in parliament, they advertised a vacancy, umsebenzi, and it was simple. They needed someone to become a secretary of parliament, and the vacancy, that person will earn 2.6 million per year. Mr. Xolile George, just like everyone else, he applied for the position. The Executive Authority of Parliament has endorsed the current CEO of ISELCA, Mr. Xolile George, for appointment as the Secretary of Parliament. He got the job. Mr. Xolile George was appointed as Secretary of Parliament in 2022. This is one of the most powerful administrative role in Parliament in South Africa. He essentially controls Parliament's administration, the budget operations, and internal government systems. Immediately after getting the job, his salary jumped to 4.4 million per year. That is an increase of 70%. Kusho ukuthi uzifakele imali engango 1.8 million as an increase kwisalary yakhe. Allegedly, Mr. Xolile was not satisfied with leya mali, so he did it again. He gave himself an increase of 4.9 million per year. Understand, yes, and understand. He is earning more than the president, from 2,600,000 a year to 4,900,000 a year, more than the president. And understand ukuthi uhola more than uRamaphosa. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi who approved the increase? He did it himself? No. Understand ukuthi for a salary to be increased in parliament, the speaker of parliament has to sign off. Kodwa ngeke. Ngiya-understand ukuthi she was speaker of parliament ngo-2022, but it can't be her. She's so innocent. It can't be. Understand ukuthi you also need the signature of the chairperson of National Council of Provinces in order to increase a salary parliament. Umkhulu Amos Masondo, it can't be him. No, it's not Umkhulu Amos. Ngiya-understand ukuthi he was the chairperson of the National Council of Provinces ngo-2022, but hayi Umkhulu Amos Masondo. It can't be him. It's not him. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi the public protector was called kwathiwa woza uzodila nale issue because i-secretary of parliament cannot earn more than i-president. Public protector woza. Our public protector, our hero, uKholeka Gcaleka, released a huge document stating ukuthi she did the research, she did the investigation, and she finds ukuthi Mr. Xolile George is innocent because umholo wakhe was benchmarked with General Tontoni to maintain the standards of what. Allegedly, kukhona iy'thombe, kukhona ama-video proving ukuthi uKholeka is having an affair with uXolile George. So the one question ekumele siyibuze yona is, lama documents, le investigation ayenzile, is it fair? Asas, nobody knows. Allegedly.